Hey everyone, in today's video, come shopping with me at my favorite local Dollar Tree. We're gonna search around for everything new. Starting, I came to this display. I couldn't tell if this was fall or summer. I think summer because it kind of gave me the picnic table vibe. But then these chargers on the very bottom, I loved the galvanized tin, and the buffalo check was definitely giving me some fall decor ideas. So I'm not really sure what they intended for this one, but I think you could use it in the summer and also the fall. You have the gray, and then you have the other plates that are the super dark navy color. So I think they really work for any season. On the back of this display section, I saw all of the sunflower items. Usually Dollar Tree comes out with these around the same time. I'm not entirely sure if all of these items are new. I've definitely seen the sunflower glasses before, and I think that they have come out with them. Now, what is new in my Dollar Tree are all of the fall florals are out. I loved this fall item. It reminded me of around Halloween. They come out with glittery purple and orange floral picks. And this is kind of like the fall version. It's not the sparkle Halloween in your face, but I love that they're using the deeper purple colors. And of course they have, I think they're pomegranates. Not really sure. What I also found in this fall floral section were some more bountiful picks. They're not quite as tall as the florals, but they kind of clump them together. First, I saw these fall leaves with what looks like a squash and some designs. This one I really loved and did end up picking it up. It had the little pumpkin in it. I'm not sure if these are new, but I definitely did not see them in my stores last year. So let me know down in the comments below if you saw them in yours. I'm kind of hoping that since Dollar Tree increased their price, maybe they put out these nicer picks. I do think they're a good deal for $1.25 because you get a lot of different items in them. So I'm hoping that because they increased their price that maybe they upped their floral game. Then I headed over to the back to school section. You know what it means when Dollar Tree comes out with the school supplies. It means the calendars are here. Don't worry, I will show you those in just a little bit. I did find them. At first, I wasn't seeing anything new to the Dollar Tree, but as I moved down, I saw at least what looked new to me, some items from Jot. They had desk organizers, and I also really liked some of their paper that they came out with. They had these really nice work organizers in quite a few sheets. It wasn't a thin pad by any means. And in keeping with the work supplies, I found some sticky note pads. It comes in a booklet. You'll see this kind of marble and gold technique in quite a few different colors across the Jot section. They have it on folders and binders and notepads. This also piqued my interest. It was in acrylic daily reminder / phone stand, which acrylic is very popular if you look on desk organization and work supplies on Amazon. So for $1.25, not bad to try it out. Wanted to point out that I saw this stapler set. I've seen the staplers before and the staples sold separately, so I thought it was nice that they gave you the smaller stapler and a small pack of staples in one set. Moving on to all the different notebooks and file folders that the Dollar Tree has. I think that Walmart is probably cheaper. They have theirs for 98 cents, but I did like that marble and gold pattern. So not sure what kind of patterns Walmart has, but if you're into the marbled look, then it might be a better deal for you at Dollar Tree. As I moved down the aisle, I found more composition notebooks and also the binders. They had the hardback binders, then also some more of the flimsy binders in lots of different patterns. Again, I saw that marble come up, lots of purples and pinks as well. And even further down the line, I found journaling by Jot. I have never heard of this. I've only heard of Jot, but I guess they have come out with a sub-brand. Not sure. Let me know if you've seen that down in the comments below. And this was a sketchbook. I don't sketch, but if I did, these were really nice and they had lots of different patterns. So be sure to check around the school supply section. Again, that journaling by Jot, I really liked all of the patterns. And then I found it on an end cap, the 2024 calendars. I was so excited. This is the selection that I've seen crafters get the most excited about. Jennifer Pugh came out with a new calendar. I don't believe she had one last year. And then there's another farmhouse calendar. It does repeat a couple images, but I still think that it's worth picking up if you find it. Also on the side of this end cap were more of that marbly pattern in the smaller notebooks. Across from the calendars, which, spoiler alert, I am giving away 2 of them at the end of today's video, so make sure to watch till the end. I found some new storage containers. They were in the navy, a little bit more of a turquoise shade, and white. I saw a girl and her mother, looked like she was getting ready to go off to college, picking out a couple of these items to go in her dorm room. And if they didn't already have enough fall florals, I found a ton more in this section between the Jot school supplies and the storage containers. Nothing new, at least to me. I did want to point out this floral garland. I use it in a lot of DIYs and absolutely love it. It flies off the shelves, so if you need more, make sure to pick it up. Then at the bottom, some floral picks were hiding a container of straw bales, and then some more decorative picks. Again, nothing new besides these small floral picks that just seemed more full to me than picks that I had seen in previous years, but don't quote me on that. I'm not 100% sure if they're new. Moving on to the Crafter's Square section, I was on the lookout for anything that I hadn't seen before, and something that caught my eye were iron-on. I had seen on a couple end caps iron-on vinyl. This was a piece of glitter iron-on, and then when I went to go and put it back, I looked behind it and they had another pattern other than this pink glitter. It kind of looked like a mermaid scale. I don't know. It was reminding me of the new Little Mermaid Ariel movie that came out. Moving along, I found these felt sheets. Unlike the scrap fabrics that come in a pack, these were pretty large felt sheets and came with 6. I thought it was a good amount of felt for $1.25. I went down the Crafter's Square aisle to where more of the wood pieces are kept. This dream catcher I had never seen before, and it looked like a fun activity for kids to do, especially if they are bored during the summer. And as I went further down, I saw these wood trio signs. I had never seen these before. I was very excited about them. They came in this natural wood color and also in white that really looked like shiplap. This was also the first Dollar Tree that I went to that actually had rolls of iron-on vinyl. I had only seen patches of it before, but now I guess it comes in a roll. If anyone's tried it down below, let me know in the comments. Maybe next time I'll have to pick it up just so that we can run a little bit of an experiment here and I can tell you if it is worth it. In the stickers and stencils, I would just like to note how beautifully this was set up. They were in such great order. I must have come right after they put them out. Speaking of iron-on, they had iron-on stickers. Never seen those in dinosaurs, dogs and bears and sea animals. So that was pretty cool. It would be cute to put on kids' backpacks. Moving up, I found self-adhesive stencils, which I've never seen before at the Dollar Tree. These are really nice because there's less of a chance that your paint is going to bleed through when they are adhesive down rather than you just holding the stencil. I also liked this one because it had a maple leaf on it that I think went in with the fall theme. I was also on the hunt this trip for some bead decor that I had seen on Instagram, so I was checking all of the end caps for that. On this one, I found a lot of blank signs that you could craft with, and also some burlap flowers and leaves. I'm going to tell you right now, I will link a video up above where I show you how to make your own burlap flowers that I actually think are cuter than these, and you can use some scrap fabric to make them. On the next end cap, I did find some of that bead decor I was looking for. There was a home sweet home sign and a trio sign. Down below I wasn't sure what these were. I thought they were paperweights, but they were super light, so I guess they're just decor. Some figurines that are in the see no evil, speak no evil, hear no evil. And there is that bee trio sign I was telling you about. I actually think this is really cute. If you have a screened-in porch, that would be adorable to hang. Down below, we had some more pastel colors. I guess these are vases / decor, a little bit of both. That one had a cool texture that I kind of liked. On this last end cap were a couple more of the signs, and then I found these baskets. I actually don't think these are a good deal for $1.25. I thought the two of them were attached and you got two for the price, but for just one, I would probably pass on that one. The only item new in the glass section that I found was the jar. It's on the third shelf if you're looking right now, but everything else I have seen before, but it was so well stocked I couldn't help but take a video from it, especially because directly across from this, I found my first pumpkin items. These ceramic pumpkins and Halloween pumpkin and that little owl I know they had last year, so I'm not sure if these are just left over from last year or if they had them new and just sold a bunch, but that was very exciting to see my first pumpkin that wasn't on a floral pick. I went down the fragrance aisle and where my Dollar Tree has some of the frames and mirrors, and I found another item that I believe was part of the bee collection. It's a honeycomb tea light holder. Very adorable. And then further down, I remember these from last year as well. They're bringing them back out. These are the Harvest candle holders. Inside was really pretty too, so I might have to pick those up. But what was most exciting to me is I spotted that box. If you guys are avid Dollar Tree shoppers, which you probably are if you're watching this, you know when you see the box with the fall leaves on it and the sunflower, that means that it is a fall find. So once I saw that box, I pulled it out. They have some more of the small tea light holders in quite a few different colors. I thought that I had seen the oranges before, but I didn't remember the green and the dark brown. Lastly, pretty opposite of fall, but I found this very summery end cap, and what I really liked about it was this mug. It had the bumblebees on it, which I thought was really nice, so I did want to check that out and show all of you. But now on to what did I actually pick up from the Dollar Tree in this trip. Not a ton. I have a lot of fall craft supplies, and I'm still waiting for them to come out with more, but I did find a couple of items. I grabbed two of the fall-themed floral picks. I was very impressed with these. And speaking of impressed, the wood trio signs, I had never seen them before. And you guys know if you see something in the Dollar Tree you like, you better pick it up because odds are you won't see it the next time. Now the exciting part of the video, I am giving away both of these calendars to one lucky individual. All you have to do to enter is comment down below. You must live in the continental United States to be eligible for this giveaway. I will announce it on my community tab next week, so make sure that you are subscribed and following me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep searching, keep creating.